Ready, start. Therefore, the single judge directed the state to grant the benefit of regular pay scale along with arrears after completion of 3 years as per circular dated 10/5/1984, holding that the present appellants are similarly situated qua Ram Naresh Prajapati and hence entitled to get similar benefits. Full stop. The state preferred a writ appeal registered as WA number 1486/2019. Full stop. The division bench by the impugned order dated 2/12/2019 allowed the appeal, overturning the judgment of single judge. Full stop. It rejected the claim of appellants to get regular pay scale as per circular dated 10/5/1984. Full stop. According to it, the present case is distinguishable from the facts of Ram Naresh Prajapati, because in the case of Ram Naresh Prajapati, the petitioners were initially appointed on part-time and then upgraded as attendant, bull attendant, cattle attendant, watchman and sweeper between 2003 to 2005, and thereafter on completion of 3 years of such regular service they were given the benefit, whereas the same is not the case with present appellants who have continued as part-time swachhkar. Full stop. Further, it stated that appellants do not fulfill the criteria laid down in the circular dated 10/5/1984, hence they are not entitled for regular pay scale. Full stop. This judgment of the division bench is assailed in the present appeal. Full stop. Further, the appellants filed a review petition against this order of the division bench. Full stop. The review petition was also dismissed by the High Court by order dated 17/1/2020. Full stop. This order has also been assailed in the present appeals. Full stop. We have heard a learned counsel from both sides and perused the record. Full stop. It is clear that all the 9 appellants were appointed under an order issued by Deputy Director of Veterinary Sciences in compliance with direction and order of Collector, on the ground of recommendation of the selection committee constituted by Collector, against the vacant posts as part-time sweepers at collectors' prescribed rates. Full stop. The appointment orders make it clear that appellants were appointed on sanctioned and vacant posts, although on temporary basis. Full stop. Further, the appellants were appointed for posts reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes under special recruitment drive. Full stop. This contradicts the argument of the state that appellants were appointed on non-sanctioned posts, only for necessity of work. Full stop. On the issue of whether present appellants are similarly situated as the petitioners in Ram Naresh Prajapati, we agree with the finding of single judge in its order dated 12/7/2019. Full stop. The petitioners in Ram Naresh Prajapati were also appointed under special recruitment drive, against the vacant posts, on temporary basis. Full stop. The only factual distinction pointed out by the state and upheld by the division bench in the impugned order is the subsequent appointment of those petitioners on sanctioned posts of attendant, bull attendant, servant, etc. after the scrutiny by the committee. Full stop. The state in its reply to the writ petition before High Court has itself stated that no such screening committee has been constituted to scrutinize the eligibility and qualification of the present appellants. Full stop. The appellants, however, state that they are ready for such scrutiny if the state directs so. Full stop. In our considered opinion, this factual difference is not enough to conclude that appellants are differently situated from Ram Naresh Prajapati, because the appellants have sufficiently proven that they were employed on regular and sanctioned posts by their initial appointment orders. Full stop. They are thus covered under class 6 of the circular dated 10/5/1984, since they have completed 3 years after being employed as single inverted temporary single inverted close employees on collectors' wages, with recommendation of the district level recruitment committee. Full stop. It is thus clear that they fulfill all the conditions stipulated in the circular to grant the revised pay scale. Full stop.